everyone, welcome back to our podcast, where we make English fun and fluent. Today we are diving into something that might sound familiar. Imagine this. You're in a coffee shop, chatting with a friend in English. They ask, "What's your favorite movie?" And in your head, you think in your native language, "Mera Pasandida film kya hai?" Then you translate it word by word. My favorite film is. But by the time you speak, the moment's gone and you sound hesitant. Sound like you? That's the sneaky mental translation habit. It's like a roadblock in your brain, stopping you from speaking smoothly. But guess what? Today, we're breaking it down and showing you simple ways to think directly in English. Stick around, by the end, you'll feel ready to chat like a pro. Let's jump in. First, what is this mental translation habit? It's when you think in your first language, like Urdu or Spanish, and then convert it to English before speaking. It happens to almost every learner, even me when I started. Why is it a problem? It makes you slow, less confident, and sometimes you say weird things. For example, translating. "I'm feeling butterflies in my stomach" literally might come out as, "My stomach has insects." Funny, but not right. The good news? You can break it. True fluency means thinking in English, like natives do. We'll cover the science behind it, why it happens, and 5 to 7 easy tips to fix it. Plus, real stories from learners like you. Ready? Let's start with the why. Okay, let's get a bit sciencey. But don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Your brain is like a computer with two programs. Your native language and English. When you translate in your head, you're switching between them, which uses extra energy. Scientists call this cognitive load. It's like carrying a heavy backpack while running, you get tired fast. Research from linguists at universities like Cambridge shows that beginners translate a lot. But advanced speakers think directly in their target language. Why? Practice rewires your brain. It's called neural plasticity. Your brain changes with habits. Think about it. When you dream in English, that's a sign you're getting fluent. But if you're stuck translating, your conversations feel forced. Ever paused mid-sentence and said, how do I say that?" That's the habit at work. The key is to train your brain to skip the translation step. Now, let's talk pitfalls, the traps that keep you translating. One big one, fear of mistakes. You think, if I don't translate, I'll mess up. But mistakes are okay, natives make them too. Another, not enough input. If you only study grammar books, your brain stays in translation mode. You need real English from movies, songs, or chats. Let me share a story. My friend Sara from Pakistan was learning English for her job. She always translated in her head during meetings. One day, her boss asked, "How's the project going?" She thought in Urdu first, paused too long, and said, "It is going fine." Everyone stared. She felt embarrassed. But then she tried our tips, and now she speaks confidently. Or take Alex from Brazil, he posted on Reddit. I translated everything, and my English sounded robotic. After practicing immersion, I started thinking in English. It's like magic. You see? You're not alone. These stories show it's fixable. Pause the video. Think of a time this happened to you. Share in the comments below. Alright, the fun part. Tips. These are simple, everyday steps. I'll explain each with an example. Try them this week. Tip 1. Immerse yourself. Listen to English podcasts or watch shows without subtitles. Start with easy ones like Friends. Why? It trains your brain to process English directly. Example. Describe your day out loud in English while walking, no translating. Tip 2. Build vocabulary chunks. Learn phrases, not single words. Instead of translating, I'm excited, memorize, I can't wait. Use apps like Duolingo for daily practice. Tip 3. Shadow native speakers. Play a YouTube video. Pause and repeat exactly what they say. Mimic the speed and tone. It's like copying a pro athlete. Fun challenge. Shadow a TED Talk for 5 minutes a day. Tip 4. Journal in English. Write your thoughts without looking up words. If stuck, use simple synonyms. This builds English thinking muscles. Example. Today I felt happy because. No native language allowed. Tip 5. Role-play conversations. Pretend you're ordering food or meeting a friend. Speak aloud, timing yourself. If you catch yourself translating, stop and restart. Tip 6. Use self-talk. Narrate your actions in English. I'm brushing my teeth now. It feels silly at first, but it works. Tip 7. Join a speaking group. Apps like HelloTalk connect you with partners. Force yourself to respond without thinking in your first language. Bonus, it's free and fun. Pick 2 to 3 tips to start. Remember, consistency is key. Do a little every day. We've covered a lot today. The habit of translating in your head, why it slows you down, the brain science, real stories, and 7 practical tips to think directly in English. Breaking this habit is your pathway to true fluency, smoother talks, more confidence, and fun conversations. What's your biggest takeaway? Comment below. Which tip will you try first? If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more episodes.